Hi Sagittarius, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs from the 14th to the 20th of June. Let's get started. You've got the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the Star card in reverse, and the Queen of Swords. Sagittarius, I feel you are entering a very positive phase of your life, because why I feel that is you've got the Ace of Swords and the Queen of Swords together. Even though the Star is in reverse, this just means that probably your wishes may not come true right now, but that doesn't mean they'll never come true. And you're attracting a soulmate relationship. The person that you're attracting right now in your life is a person who is nurturing, caring. She understands you, he understands you. Now, this is not a gender specific reading, so please feel free to switch the gender, switch the energies. If you're a cross watcher, then you know what to do. If you're checking in for the Sagittarius, then probably these are your energies. A nurturing soul being attracted to Sagittarius. Could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, definitely Gemini. I feel there's an Aquarius also involved. You've got the Star card upright now. Someone wants to come towards you to offer you a new beginning, Sagittarius. This person has had their eye on you since a very long time now. You could know this person, you may not know this person. Even though they're really passionate about you, they have a very beautiful talent of keeping a low profile, maintaining a low profile with you. And probably that's why you don't know who I'm talking about, but you will know. Sagittarius, what I also see is if you are bogged down by energies, if you're feeling drained out because of the eclipse season, because of all these retrogrades one after the other, please take time to rest. If you're going through a bad health spell, then just take time to recuperate from this, because you don't want horrible effects in the long run. So make sure you take utmost rest and be really relaxed and rejuvenated by the time things start turning. Oh my god, you've got the Three of Swords, Justice, and the Star again. You've got the Star. Wow. You've got the Star thrice, Sagittarius. No matter how heavy these energies may seem right now, this is wonderful. You've got so many wishes that are coming true, Sagittarius. You have nothing to complain. So if you want to rest, go rest. If you want to isolate yourself, go isolate yourself. But come back and claim all these beautiful wishes that are coming true right now. Also, I feel this is a whole new set of people that I'm addressing right now. You are getting out of a pathetic third party situation wherein somebody was ruthless with your feelings, with your heart, and they broke it. And trust me, Sagittarius, whoever did this to you is facing karma. They're coming back to say sorry and to give you that closure, and probably to ask you for another chance. But sometimes when we go through these painful moments, we tell the universe to hasten the karma process for this person and bring them back into our lives. And we want to turn our back towards them and say, yeah, so I own this situation now, you need to get out. Sagittarius, this person is coming back and you're going to own this situation. Trust me, I have faith. You have the King of Air, the King of Swords. Go after your dreams, Sagittarius. Go after your ambitions. fulfill everything that you've always wanted to fulfill. All your dreams, aspirations, goals, places to visit, people to talk to, just do whatever you want because you're on the right track, Sagittarius. I can feel it with the 3 star cards. I just can't wait till you achieve everything in life. Please claim this reading, guys, because I am claiming it for you. And I'm not even a Sagittarius. Reconsider and don't stop. I think Leo got the same energies. Leo could be important to you. Sagittarius, if you had a question where you had to take a decision about something, please reconsider. Please read up about this thing. Please talk to people and, just get more information about this decision. If it doesn't resonate with you, it's okay. You can just switch the reading off and check out your other signs. I'll be more than glad. It's all good, really. But if you do watch this reading till the end, please don't leave without liking it and subscribing to my channel. Confidence is your key to success. Surrender to the divine. Step out of your comfort zone. Adjustments are required and emotions are running high. Wow, Sagittarius. Leo again. Leo could be important, Aquarius could be important, Gemini could be important, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus. These are all important signs for you. Number 11 could be important to you, so keep an eye out for it. Let's see one affirmative card for you so that we can end your beautiful reading with an affirmation, Sagittarius. Energy flows where my intention goes. Amazing. Think about the things that you want to manifest and see your energy change, Sagittarius. I've done that personally and I know it all works. And if you have tuned into this reading, I'm sure you believe in the power of the universe, in the power of the energies, in the power of these crystals over here. I keep them close to your readings so that they can bless your reading, bless you, bless your soul, bless the entire Sagittarius clan. And guys, if this reading resonated with you, please like, share, subscribe. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.